a quick review on my 2013 Nissan GTR. It's at 66,000 kilometers. I don't know what that is in miles, but we're gonna talk about what's went wrong and what's been great about it. The only thing what kind of went wrong, there was a little bit of oil leak on the valve cover gasket. So I got that replaced for about 560 bucks. And other than that, the car's been really solid for me. And it makes 640 wheel horsepower, tuned by Sam Barrows, full bolt-on, and on E85. So I can show you guys the engine bay and what's been done. So you can't really see much, but it's got some tile blow-off valves. And the previous owner kept the engine, or kept this car super clean. It's full PPF'd as well. And here you can see there's like a ethanol reader here. And one other things I got done is I switched out these headlights from Spider, and they were about 2,500 bucks. And I also switched this out to carbon fiber because the previous thing was like peeling and it was all gross. So I changed that out. And one thing though is like I scratched my lip here, so that was really bad. I was really upset. And also clear reflectors, the OEM reflectors, they're like orange and they're not very good looking. And I have the original wheels. On the back, I got some Spider tail lights as well. So they're halo tail lights. The original ones, there's like little bulbs. So this one's a lot cleaner and it runs super rich. So that's why you get all these little black specks everywhere. Here it's stock. It's a black edition, so it does have, you know, like the red accents here. So like red here, red on the seat. And what other things I've got done? Tires they're pretty expensive. They're like, for a full set, they're like $3,000 Canadian at least. And other maintenance is basically oil changes every like 5,000 kilometers. That's pretty much it for maintenance. Oil change, I got transmission fluid change. That was like $700. Yeah, maybe we can do some sound clips. And this car is really loud. It's a Meister shaft exhaust, so it's pretty loud. So we're gonna get some gas now. We're gonna see how much it costs. We're almost empty, but the fuel on this car is terrible, the fuel economy. So we always put 93 in there. All right, guys, we're gonna go for some driving, and you can hear the sounds in the cabin. So there's a lot of sounds in this car. There's you know, you got your turbo noises, and you also got a lot of transmission clunking noise. I'm gonna do a pull here. I was going like 180. So thanks for watching. This was a quick tour and review of my 2013 Nissan GTR. And it's been a great car for me, and planning on keeping it for a while, and I don't think I'll ever sell it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and maybe I'll post another video like this. But yeah.